Welcome to JRPanel. Today I will take you to visit our PCBA factory. JRPanel has established a good cooperative relationship with more than 30,000 customers worldwide. 6 SMT automatic production lines. Factory passed ISO 9001 certification. There are two types of PCBA soldering, SMT soldering and DIP soldering. The first step of SMT soldering process, solder paste printing. We use GKG solder paste printer to print the solder paste on the solder pad that requires the PCB through the solder paste stencil. The second step of SMT process. In this step, we mainly use automatic SMT machine. The machine determines the mounting position of the components, then quickly, automatically, and accurately mounts the components. Such an SMT equipment can mount 40,000 to 90,000 components per hour. The third step of SMT process. By preheating constant temperature and cooling up the reflow oven, engineers solder the components on the PCB. The engineer will heat the solder paste so that it flows into the liquid solder. The solder paste then hardens as a metal to form a good electrical joint, and then cools down. After that, complete soldering is achieved. The fourth step of SMT process. After a quick visual inspection, we check the components for soldering deviation, poor soldering, etc. The machine can grab the problematic solder joints and components. The BGA tester can display the pin positioning time, and the measurable rate of the IC can reach more than 98%. We ensure that all solder joints, components, and polarities are correctly and effectively soldered. Fast, efficient, and accurate.